Today we are going to tell you about the What is AIMS guidelines of coronavirus. So welcome friends, you're watching our channel, My Health and Beauty Guide. Please subscribe, like, and share our channel My Health and Beauty Guide for more health and beauty related video. You can also check out our website www.myhealthandbeautyguide.com for more details. All links in the description. AIMS Guidelines of Coronavirus, COVID-19. AIMS, New Delhi. COVID-19. Be careful not to be afraid. Rate the myths of corona, become aware of the right knowledge, follow the rules of cough etiquette, hand hygiene and personal care, and share the right information related to caution through proper means. What is COVID-19? COVID-19 is an infectious disease that spreads due to the recently discovered novel coronavirus. How does coronavirus, COVID-19, spread? When a person who suffers from this disease sneezes or coughs, a lot of their droppings and droplets of saliva are spread in the air or fall on the ground and surrounding surfaces. If another person is standing near the patient while sneezing or coughing or touches the surfaces where the bundle extends and then touches the face, eyes or mouth with his hands, he may become infected. If a person is less than 1 meter away from the infected person, then the infection is more likely to spread. What happens to the person who suffers from coronavirus, COVID-19? Most individuals, 80%, do not require any treatment, they recover automatically. Some people, less than 20%, need to be treated in hospital. Very few people require treatment in ICU. In which age does coronavirus, COVID-19, spread? Does this disease also occur in children? This disease can spread to all ages. It can also spread to children through another person suffering from illness in the home. In children, these infections are usually mild. Elderly and those who already have high blood pressure, diabetes, cancer, heart and liver related diseases, this disease can spread very easily and proves fatal. How long can the coronavirus survive on a surface or an object? There is no definite estimate of how long the COVID-19 virus can survive on a surface. This virus is also like other coronavirus. Studies show that these viruses can survive for a few hours to a few days, and the duration depends on the size of the surface type, temperature and humidity. If you feel that some place is infected, then it should be cleaned with simple disinfectant and should help to protect itself and others. Clean your hands with alcohol-based liquids or wash them with soap and water. Avoid touching your eyes, mouth or nose. What are the common symptoms of the disease coronavirus, COVID-19? Symptoms include fever, sore throat, cough and shortness of breath. Symptoms of any viral infection like common cold, influenza etc. Whom should I consult about coronavirus, COVID-19? You should consult your family physician if you have symptoms of respiratory tract infections, as well as any of the following doubts. Travel history of the coronavirus affected area. Close contact with a person infected with the coronavirus. What tests of coronavirus, COVID-19, done and where are they to be done? If you do not have any symptoms, you have cough, fever or difficulty breathing, if you have any of the above symptoms and have traveled to any of the COVID-19 affected countries, or you have a laboratory confirmed positive case, are in contact, so call the state helpline immediately or the phone number of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. 24/7 helpline IA 011-2397846 and free service number 1075. The helpline desk will note your contact details and COVID-19 contact you with the test protocol. If you according to the protocol, if found suitable for testing, you will be tested in a government approved laboratory only. Is there any treatment for coronavirus? To date, there is no specific treatment for coronavirus, COVID-19 infection. Symptomatic treatment consists in the treatment of coronavirus infection. Since it is a viral infection, in over 80% of cases it resolves within a few days. If they are showing signs of serious illness, they may need admission to a hospital, ICU. COVID-19. Are there any specific medicines available for the treatment of coronavirus infection? No, because there is no specific antiviral medicine available for the treatment of symptoms of infection until now, although most people recover without medication, as in any other viral disease. Some medicines used for other coronavirus infections are being tried in very ill patients. How can I protect myself and my family members from C virus, COVID-19? You can reduce your chances of getting infected or spreading COVID-19 by taking a few simple precautions. Clean your hands regularly and thoroughly by rubbing them with an alcohol-based hand, or wash them with soap and water after coming out or with a coronavirus infection. Keep a distance of at least 1 meter 3 feet from yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth. Make sure that you and the people around you follow good respiratory stimulation. This means covering your mouth and nose with your bent elbow or tissue when coughing or sneezing. Then immediately put the used tissue in the covered garbage vessel. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have fever, cough and difficulty in breathing, pay attention to therapy. Who should wear a mask? People who have no symptoms do not use masks. Medical masks should not be used by healthy individuals who have no symptoms, because it creates a false sense of security which may lead to neglect of other necessary measures such as washing hands. In such a situation, the more effective steps are: wash hands repeatedly with soap and water for 20 seconds. 70% alcohol-based hand sanitizer should be used for 20 seconds. If the hands are dirty, do not use alcohol-based hand sanitizers, but wash hands with soap and water. Cover nose and mouth with handkerchief and paper tissue while coughing or sneezing. If a handkerchief or tissue paper is not available, cough in a flexed elbow. Remove the tissue immediately after use and wash hands. Touching the face, mouth, nose and eyes should be avoided. Stay at least meters away from coughing or sneezing. Monitor your body temperature. When and who should use a medical mask other than a healthcare worker? When a person has a cough or fever disorder, the use of a medical 3-layer mask, if ill, will prevent your infection from spreading to others. However, you also need to wash your hands frequently to avoid spreading the infection to others. While visiting a healthcare facility, when you are caring for a sick person, close family contacts of such suspected, confirmed cases undergoing home care should also use triple-layer medical masks. What is the role of hand sanitizer in coronavirus, COVID-19? Hand sanitizer should be used when you are taking care of patients infected with coronavirus. In general, washing hands with soap and water for 20 seconds is a good option in homes, offices. Do not use alcohol-based hand sanitizer if hands are dirty, but wash hands with soap and water. Is there any role of specific foods, drinks in the treatment of coronavirus infection? There is no recommendation on any particular diet, although a person can take his regular diet, which includes fruits, vegetables, etc., to stay healthy. Are there any vaccines available for the treatment of coronavirus infection? As of now, there is no vaccine available for the treatment of COVID-19 infection. Are we well equipped to deal with the coronavirus crisis? If the patients need treatment in the hospital, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has taken adequate steps to equip the designated health facilities for the care of patients with the infected coronavirus. On the website of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare (MOHFW), relevant information for isolation of infectives and home quarantine, sample testing, laboratory facilities and discharge of admitted patients are well available in the public domain. What is the common myth of coronavirus, COVID-19? Does the disease spread through non-vegetarian food, especially by eating chicken, eggs and meat? There is no conclusive evidence that cooked properly, Hua food transmits disease. Does this disease spread to pets? Transmission of the disease from pets has not been observed. Does the coronavirus infect a dead body infection? There is no transmission of coronavirus infection from the dead person's body. How can I help prevent coronavirus, COVID 19? A good personal hygiene, hand washing, and coughing can help by following etiquette. One can avoid unnecessary travel, attend public functions, and ensure a proper social distance. It can greatly contribute to breaking the chain of active infection. Which helpline numbers can be contacted if required? The helpline number for coronavirus is JOR 911123978046. Free service number 1075. For more information and updates, visit the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare website. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS, New Delhi.